Hi and welcome back to a short Q&A with just me. Anna is behind the camera today.
Hi.
Asking the questions. Okay, so question number one.
A lot of you have asked how much we paid for the house.
Okay, so we bought the house in 2020 during the pandemic and we got a super deal for it due to the fact that people weren't able to come visit the house, to come view the house, and the overall market wasn't really functioning. So we paid 100,000 euros for it, including the lawyer fees and brokerage fees, but it was valued at 175,000 euros in its current condition. Question number two.
So people have been asking if you're an architect.
No, I'm not an architect. I'm what am I? I've studied economics before, then worked briefly in a bank, and then I've been working for myself for the past 13-14 years in finance, and so I control my own time and do whatever I want in brackets. So no, I'm not an architect.
Yes, and they've been asking where we live.
Yeah, so we live in Milano, or we used to. We actually are in the process of moving right now, even though we are at the mountains. We took a short break from the 47-degree heat to recuperate a bit.
That was in the car though. It was 14 Milan, but that's still very hot.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, exactly.
So, and what's the reason that you came to Milan?
Yeah, so I moved there for her. I moved, Anna's lived in Italy for 18 years. We met and I moved.
Yes.
Since I can
so
do...
you came to Italy because of
yeah.
me. Very nice.
I can do my work from here anyway, in any case. So yeah,
Yes.
Why not live in Italy?
Of course. Best food, nice weather.
Yeah.
Different kind of landscapes as well,
Yeah.
from the mountains,
Yeah.
seaside, and the countryside. Yes.
Exactly. Okay, so next question.
Okay, so how long do you think that this project will take?
Yeah, how long is a string? It really depends. Hopefully the house will be slightly livable in 6 months. I mean, we'll see. If it takes 1 year, 2 years, I don't know. We'll take it slowly, just as long as we get to where we want to be with the house. So we're not in a super rush. We want to do it properly.
Yeah, from the beginning we were in a rush because actually you can have some kind of help from the Italian government when you restore, especially old houses. But Tony's just here by the camera. Yeah, to get this eco bonus. Let's see if Tony's here again.
He's here. Yeah, the eco bonus. Come, Tony. God, look at this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll take over. Yeah, so the eco bonus system that the Italian government has. For us, it might not be possible because it's been taking a bit too long to get the permits, etc. So we'll see what happens with that. In any case, we're going to restore the house anyway. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Next question.
How big is the house?
Okay, so the house itself is about 430 square meters, which is about 4,400 square feet, I think. The property itself is about 3,000 square meters with the garden, etc. Yeah.
And do you have any skills from building houses or restoring houses from before?
If I have any skills. A few. Yeah, so what have I done before in the building? I mean, coming from finance. Yes, I have. I've renovated a few apartments myself. I have owned property with rental apartments where I have refurbed them myself. So I quite enjoy getting hands-on in projects, even though I'm not educated in it. My father had a kind of a construction business growing up, so I've been in this environment quite a lot. So yeah.
So we're going to see these skills now.
Yeah.
During the renovation. Yes. And what about the dogs? We had many questions about 2 dogs.
Yeah. So our dogs, Jimmy and Tony. Jimmy is the chubby beagle dog, and that, if you turn the camera this way a little bit, yeah, okay, he's gone. Anyway, the smaller beige dog is Tony. He's from Naples. The bigger dog is Jimmy from Sicily. They are both rescue dogs. Anna is very into rescuing dogs. She's helped many dogs from Italy to go to mostly Sweden, Italy, yeah, all around.
All our friends.
Yes, all our friends have a rescue dog almost. Yeah.
And can you tell me about before Christmas? How many dogs did we have in our Milan apartment?
Yeah, that was great. We had 6 dogs in the apartment for a short while. So yeah, that was chaos.
But very nice. Now they have new families, and it's just so wonderful that we can help.
Okay, so next question.
So many people ask, where is the house located?
Okay, so the house is located outside of Parma, in between Parma and Cremona.
And how come you chose that area?
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's a good question. Why did we choose this area? So the house, I started looking for houses in early 2020 because we wanted a weekend getaway place. So I started looking maximum 2 hours from Milano, 1.5 hours. So I draw a circle and started looking for houses. And then this horrible ad came up with this house. I think I Google searched it and saw a picture which was the top left corner of the house, and that was it. And so I saw a bit of an arch, and I was like, that's a nice arch, we should look into this. And so we called the broker and went to have a viewing. And
which was also difficult during the pandemic. We needed to
we were
have
very
a special
lucky
permission
because it was in the same,
to leave Milan.
It was in the same region that we lived in, so we could travel even though it was not...
Yeah, this is just on the border between Cremona and Parma, so we were lucky it was still in Lombardy, otherwise we couldn't have left the region at that time.
So we just went there, had a look, and I think it took 4 weeks and we bought the house. So it wasn't really...
I would say that we fell in love with the house immediately.
Yeah, of course.
We just saw this amazing old house that was falling apart, and we were like, we're gonna save this house. It's so beautiful.
Yes. So it wasn't really planned. I mean, it was kind of an idea to find a weekend place, and we just went along and bought it.
And now we were like, we're gonna move there.
And after a year or so, we were thinking, why shouldn't we just move there? So now we decided to actually move there permanently. So, and that wasn't at all the plan from the beginning. So yeah, that's it.
Yes. So what about the history of the house? How old is the house?
Yeah, so the house itself is built in 1926. It was designed by a architect and painter called Villa Aroldi, who built the house for a family called the Gardani family, who still has some relatives left in the region. And the ceiling, the fresco in the ceiling, for example, is his artwork.
Yes, and what about that fresco? How are we going to restore it?
Yeah, so we have an artist who works with restoring frescoes in old churches and houses in the area. So she is very well informed, or she's very good at this type of work. as she's also local. So we have an artist who has been to the house, who has some ideas of how to save them.
She's the best. We're just going to wait until we started with the roof and then the outside, right?
Yeah, so we're going to secure the house obviously before we're going to start anything in the inside. We're going to redo the roof, new windows, etc. to make it to close the house. So, yeah.
So most of the parts in the house are original, but people were asking about the bathroom. It doesn't seem to be from the 20s. So what can you tell us about the bathroom?
Okay, so the pink bathroom is not original. It's most likely from the mid to late 50s. We've heard it used to be 2 rooms. They're 2 tiny rooms, so it weren't a bathroom there from the beginning. And unfortunately, we are going to take down the pink tiles. We are going to have to put the.
We can give it to some viewer if you would like to use it somewhere else in the world.
Yeah, we'll see what we'll do with it. We're going to have to take down the tiles at least. We will try to save and salvage them, but we have to take them down due to the fact that we want to damp proof the walls. And what about bathrooms in the other rooms? Yes, we are going to do bathroom in the basement. We are going to do a bathroom in the pink bathroom. We are going to do a bathroom on the first floor, the primary floor. And we might do a bathroom in the attic. We're not sure. It depends on rules and regulations. We'll see.
Okay, exciting.
Okay, that was it for this time. We're going to end it there. We'll do another Q&A at some other point. Until next time. Ciao.